Hey, how's the weather?
It's pretty hot, don't you think?
A little cramped too. I'm Diego. And you what?
I'm Megan, but you can call me Meg.
They're so corny, just like Spencer and Sandra were before they did.
Hey, don't talk about them. You know how Spencer gets.
So, you ever heard of the hit, the smash hit artist, Bob Agnew?
Who?
He's really cool. He makes really awesome tunes for things like us.
Acts like us? What do you mean?
Just like
I can't hear you.
I love you, like, and I love you when I was.